Select 2 or more widgets, and then press Command or Ctrl+G to group them. You can also right-click on selected widgets and choose Group from the context menu. After grouping, you can move the group, adjust its size, or add interactions to it. In the Outline pane, you can see that the grouped widgets are all under one folder. To ungroup, press Shift plus Command or Ctrl+G, or right-click and select Ungroup. We regroup all widgets. After selecting the group, click on any widget within the group to select the widget, and then you can drag a widget to add into the group. We select all the widgets in the group one by one. Then select Fixed Width in the Style pane, so that when the entire group size is changed, the width of the widgets within it will not be changed. Drag the entire group and change its size. You can see that the width of the widgets within the group is fixed. Select all the widgets one by one again. Fixed widget to the left of group. Since we just chose to fix the width of the widget, only the height of the widget will change when dragging. If you want to trigger the style effects set by all widgets in the group through the group, you can check Apply Mouse Style Effects on all widgets in group. We have set the mouse over style effects for all widgets. Preview the prototype. You can see that when the mouse over any widget within the group, it will trigger the mouse over style effect for all widgets in the group.